अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। My humble pronouns and the lotus feet of Sri Thakur, Sri Ma, Sri Swamiji and all his other disciples with special reverence to Swami Ramakrishna Ji Maharaj. My respectful pronouns to Monty President Maharaj and to all my leaders, elders of this great Sangha. With the deep affection, I extend my love and namaskar to my monastic brothers and my heartfelt regards to all the devotees gathered here. On the stage we have Swami Bhaktivedanta Ji Maharaj, one of the trustees of Ramakrishna Mosque and one of the members of the governing body of Ramakrishna Mission. I express my love and namaskar to him. And here are Swami Sarvarupananda Ji Maharaj, Atmabharananda Ji Maharaj and Satyakananda Ji Maharaj. To all of them I offer my namaskar. Swami Satyakananda Ji Maharaj happens to be the President of Tamil Nadu Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhargava Parishad, and here are gathered the convener, other vice presidents and convener, joint convener of the Parishad. To all of them I express my love and gratitude and namaskar. I express my profound love and gratitude to the devotees of this ashrama and Swami Dakshanananda Ji Maharaj for their kind invitation to participate in this auspicious program. My heartfelt appreciation extends to the devoted members of this ashrama who have selflessly nurtured and organized it with great dedication, now offering it to the Ramakrishna Mosque, Belur Mosque. Just as a river finds its way into the vast ocean, merging with the eternal flow of divinity, this ashrama is now becoming an inseparable part of the sacred mission. There is a beautiful song in Bengali composed by Swami Prevesananda Ji Maharaj, one of the beloved disciples of Holy Mother. The song begins with the following words: Banga Hriday Gomukhi Hoite Koruna Ganga Bajia Jai. And it concludes with Ramakrishna Puta Ganga Brahmananda Sagare Dhai. This song beautifully encapsulates the sacred essence of today's occasion, illustrating the flow of divine grace merging into the boundless ocean of spirituality. These 2 days, the 5th and the 6th of April 2025, are truly auspicious for us. Today, Devi Annapurna is being worshipped everywhere. Our Holy Mother, Sri Sarada Devi, is none other than Devi Annapurna herself. It is said that when young Sarad, later to become Swami Saradananda Ji Maharaj, first saw the Holy Mother clad in a red bordered sari, carrying food on a plate for Sri Thakur, he felt as though Devi Annapurna herself was offering Bhiksha to Lord Vishwanatha in the form of Sri Ramakrishna. Much later, when Sri Thakur instructed his young monastic disciples to seek alms, they first approached the Holy Mother, chanting the pranam mantra of Devi Annapurna before receiving their alms from her. It is also the foundation day of the first center of the Ramakrishna Mission at Sargachi. Swami Akhandananda Ji Maharaj a direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna, resolved to start the famine relief work with the motto Shiva Gyane Jiva Seva on this very Annapurna day. So he himself observed this day as the foundation day of that center. Tomorrow, the 6th of April 2025, marks Sri Ram Navami, the divine day when Shuddha Brahma manifested as Sri Ramachandra in the Treta Yuga. Sri Ramakrishna often declared that he who had incarnated as Rama and Krishna had now assumed the body of Sri Ramakrishna to re-establish religion in this age. While residing at Kasipur, Sri Ramakrishna founded an organization with his monastic and lay devotees who served him devotedly. After his Mahasamadhi, he appeared in a vision to Surendranath Mitra during his evening meditation and instructed him to arrange shelter for his homeless monastic disciples. Surendranath immediately approached Narendranath, later to become Swami Vivekananda, and asked him to find a house where the monastic disciples could stay together, allowing lay devotees to visit and seek solace. Thus the first formal mosque was established in a humble house at Boranagar. Over time, this mosque evolved into the Ramakrishna Mosque, Belur Mosque. At the behest of Swami Vivekananda, Swami Ramakrishna ji came to Chennai, then Madras, and established the first branch center of the Ramakrishna Mosque there in 1897. Today, Tamil Nadu is blessed with numerous branches of the Ramakrishna Mosque and Ramakrishna Mission, and with so many ashrams under Tamil Nadu Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhakti Parishad. This new ashrama, now joining the sacred lineage of Ramakrishna Mosque, further enriching the spiritual bondage of the region. The devotees who have played a pivotal role in establishing this ashrama at Konampatti are truly blessed. Many boys and girls, I heard till now 27 boys and girls from this locality have been chosen by Sri Guru Maharaj to be part of his great Sangha. Blessed indeed are their mothers, and their families are sanctified. Kulam Pavitram Janani Interpretata, as the saying goes. These Jananis, these mothers, sacrificed one of their sons or daughters to the Ramakrishna order, but in return they have got so many sons and daughters who are now the sannyasis or sannyasinis of the Ramakrishna Mosque and Sarada Mosque. The sacred rivulet, Amodar, Mother Ganga of holy Jairambati, seems to merge into the mighty Bhagirathi Ganga at Belur Mosque. This ashrama is now uniting with the profound spiritual current of the Ramakrishna order. This marks a historic and momentous occasion for this locality. With deep devotion, we pray at the holy feet of Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Ma, and Sri Sri Swamiji Maharaj to shower their choicest blessings upon all these associated with this ashrama in any way. May this ashrama flourish and thrive under the able leadership of Swami Daksharananda Ji Maharaj, who has been chosen as his first monastic head. With his guidance, may it become a beacon of spiritual enlightenment and selfless service. The trustees and members of this ashrama will undoubtedly continue to support him in every possible way as they have done thus far. Once again, I offer my heartfelt pranams to all my elders, love and namaskars to my monastic brothers, and deep regards to the trustees, dedicated members of this ashrama, and the honored guests who have graced the occasion. Thank you all. Namaskar.